Hi guys, welcome back to my channel with me Mas Agus saja. Warm wishes to all of you. Right now I'm with Jojo, Coco and Miumiu. Hi. Here we are going to show you how to make brown sugar boba with storyline. Let's go.
This morning, I woke up early and hurriedly went to the garden to find Miumiu, Coco and Jojo. Finally, I found them still sleeping on the tree. I woke them up and asked for their help to prepare something for my special guest who will arrive at noon. Without hesitation, Miumiu and Coco came back to the kitchen with me. Row, row your boat gently down the stream. Look at me, I have a knitted hat. Miumiu helped me stir 200 grams of brown sugar with 250 milliliters of water. I taught Coco to compound 300 grams of cocoa powder with 250 grams of starch. He is quite expert now. Mix the compound with 160 ml of brown sugar liquid, 60 ml of water in a pot over a medium-low flame for 10 minutes. Then move and knead it well with 15 grams of starch. Form it into rolls and cut it about 10 cm length. I need someone to assist me. Aha, Miumiu. I taught her to roll them into thinner rolls. Tra-la-la-la, I like this. Suddenly, Jojo appeared and was eager to help her.
Miumiu, let me do it!
No, Jojo, you need plastic gloves.
Oh, I am ready!
But we need it fast, Joe.
Chill out, girl. It's easy.
As it's getting late, I bought the pearls.
So guys, now we are waiting for our special guest. Stay tuned, okay? Hi, come here. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah. Wow. What is your name? Cecil Anja? Yes, okay. Miumiu belongs to hi, yeah? Miumiu, hi. Hi, Miumiu. Oh, wait a minute. Do you like the drinks? Yeah. Wow. How is it? Good? Okay, say hi. Say hi. Hello. Hello. See the camera. Hello. 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 Okay. Yeah. See ya. Thank you.
I can't stop rolling you. I can't breathe, Coco. Coco, get out of my back.
I'm so sorry, Joe. Let me help you, okay?
Stop that. You should wear plastic gloves.
Okay, that's fine. Coco left Jojo to look for his own plastic gloves.
I can't stop rolling you.
Suddenly, Coco appeared again with the plastic gloves on his face. What? Get away, Joe! Let me roll it! Oh, 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 oh.
Coco, you look like alien. Ho 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 ho. It's on hands, not face, my brother.
What? Thank you, my brother. Then they rolled it together. But suddenly Coco threw the roll. King Kong is coming! Woo! Ha 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 ha! Jojo, your mustache!
Coco, I can see. Watch out!
Coco ran away and Jojo chased after him, and I was awakened from my nap by a cracking noise. Spontaneously, I headed straight to the kitchen and found nobody. Then, I cut those thin rolls about 2 cm length each and molded them into a tiny ball shape. Boil 150 ml of water and cook those tiny balls over a medium-low flame for 15 minutes. Sift and let the pearls cool down about 20 up to 30 minutes. Boil the rest brown sugar liquid with 2 tablespoons of sugar, 50 ml of water, and 1 tablespoon of starch over a low flame for around 5 minutes. For the tea, boil 800 ml of water and add it 2 tablespoons of black tea along with 3 tablespoons of sugar. Best serving is when it's a bit cooling down around 2 minutes. You'll have the best bouncing ball dancing inside your mouth. The texture is chewy, soft and not sticky. The look is like pearl and appetizing. The taste is brownish, fresh and not too sweet. And for the composition of each cup is in the description box.
Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. And please like, share, comment and smash that subscribe button. And also switch the bell on to notify you whenever I upload new videos. See ya.